what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lorena, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is gonna be a good video, even though it's raining outside, or it's gloomy. Anyways, today is gonna be a little holographic type of yeah, that. I'm gonna go ahead. My face is already moisturized. I honestly have not been putting on primer on my face lately. I'm gonna go ahead and put on this Mineral Touch Liquid Foundation by Younique, which this one is in Satin. Off screen and do my brows, because y'all know how I do my brows. I do my brows in the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit in the number 5. So I'm gonna go do that really quick, and I'll come back and then do the rest of my face. So yeah, okay, I'll be back. Bye. Okay, y'all, now that I have my brows on, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face, and I'm gonna go and use my all-time go for sure concealer. Well, did I say highlight, conceal? I don't know. By Nars in Light 2 Vanilla. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that.
I can't live with all these lies again. I was feeling this wall of trust.
And once I blend this out, I'm gonna go in with the banana shade in the contour kit, in the Anastasia contour kit, and use that banana shade to set it. Now that I have that done, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this bronzer from Younique, Beachfront bronzer in Hermosa. And it looks something like this. And yeah, I'm gonna bronze up the face. Alright, now that I have the bronzer on, I'm not going to put any blush on just because I'm lazy right now and I don't have any with me. And because I don't want to go upstairs to get it. I'm sorry, okay? It's just the laziness is real right now, okay? But also, I just think with this look that I'm about to do, I don't really want to put blush on. So it kind of works out win-win, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna put this highlighter on. I don't really remember what it looks like, so I hope it looks good. But it's from J.Cat Beauty. This is gonna be my first time using it, along with like this bronzer I just put on. It's my first time putting it on. But it's You Glow Girl Baked Highlighter. Looks like that. It is in YGG104 Crystal Sand. This is what it looks like. Like, look at that. That looks so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this brush right here. It's a small contour brush, but I'm gonna use it for the highlighter because I don't really want to use my fan brush for this. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, I like this. Oh yeah. What the heck? Y'all, are you seeing this right now? This is like a good freaking, like, look at that. Oh wow. This one's like eh. This one's, oh yeah. Hallelujah. Oh yeah, this is this is on another level right here. And if I'm remembering correctly, this was like really cheap. I feel like not too cheap, but like in the middle, you know? So cheap. Not cheap, but like cheap. Apply some in the middle of the nose right there. Oh yeah. Right here. Oh. I feel like I'm going crazy on this highlighter right now. For the showstopper. Well, before the showstopper, I'm gonna go ahead and get my Sephora Pro Palette. This is the Cool palette. Yeah, whatever. But it comes with like a huge mirror. This is what it looks like right here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go on with black and go very light-handed, and just, you know, get in the crease area. Very light, okay? Very light. And I'll move y'all closer in so you can see what I'm doing. Yee.
Gone when I need you. You know I'll be there for you.
Alright, because the black eyeshadow is kind of going up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and get this shade right here and just put it on my brow bone, because I really don't want that black to go all the way up in there. You know, I want it to still be nice right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get what this is gonna be made of. I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic palette. And it's the one that looks like this, you know, little holographic. And I'm gonna go in, and I think I'm gonna do the green one, which is Focus. What's right here? The green emerald one. I'm gonna go ahead and get a brush like this. Oh, a flat one, and put it on my lid. So it's gonna kind of be like a crease, kind of cut crease holographic kind of look, I guess. Yeah.
I can't live with all these lies again. I was building this wall of trust, my friend. It isn't easy when you fight for bringing me down. You know I'll be there, can't you see you letting me down?
Now I'm gonna go back in with that black shade and try and like buff it out just a little bit. But, well, I'm not gonna go back in it. I'm gonna just go back with the brush and just, like, you know, make it look decent.
You just know that I'll be.
And then I'm gonna go back in with the green. Now I'm gonna go back in with the black and put it under my eyes, on my waterline, or eyelash line, whatever. Hey y'all, what's up? Okay, my battery is dying, but I ended up putting that green emerald right there in the corners, putting the black eyeshadow on my waterline, mascara, and some nude lipstick. Everything I use in this look will be down below, of course, in the description box. And yeah, if y'all like this video, let me know, or you can just click the thumbs up and please subscribe. And also, if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, please click on the little bell down below to get notifications when I upload. And yeah, interact and comment down below if this is your favorite or what other type of looks do you want to see. And remember, please spread love and positivity because that is what this world needs right now. And yeah, everything will be linked down below. Thank y'all so much. Love you. Bye. Oh heck, it still has the plastic on it. Put it up like this, or if you have a headband, you know, put it up too. Reply back to your husband if he texts you while you're filming. Hate droppers, that's why I hate droppers, okay? Because at first, nothing comes out, and then when you keep doing it, you get a whole shit ton, and then it's too late to go back. Now,